You can make restaurant quality stir-fry noodles at home in less time than it takes to argue over what to order on your delivery app. That means no more overpriced delivery fees, no more soggy noodles arriving at your doorstep, and definitely no more waiting for an hour when you're already starving. Let's dive in. Here's everything you need to know to make a quick and healthy shrimp and vegetable stir-fry with noodles. You can use any type of noodles you like. I have here some yellow Hokkien Mee, shrimps, broccoli, carrots, garlic, green onions, ginger, chili oil or chili crisp. This is optional. Chinese cooking wine. Let's start with the noodles. You can use any type of noodles you like for this dish. I have here some fresh yellow Hokkien Mee. Fresh noodles are always the easiest to prepare. Just rip the packet open, put it in a bowl, and pour hot boiling water onto it. Loosen the noodles and set it aside. The heat from the water will soften the noodles. Next, marinate the shrimps with salt, pepper, sugar. A quick marinade not only seasons the shrimp, but also helps it retain moisture during cooking. The salt helps firm up the shrimp, giving it that bouncy, restaurant-style texture. After marinating, set it aside. Cut the broccoli up into small florets. Cut the carrots up into strips. Give your garlic a rough chop. And slice up the ginger. Separate the green onions into its white and green parts. For the sauce, in some water, add in oyster sauce, like soy sauce, MSG or chicken powder. This is optional. Sugar, and a few dashes of white pepper. Next, prepare the cornstarch slurry. We do this by mixing some corn flour with some water. Stir till the corn flour dissolves. Now that we have prepared all our ingredients, let's cook. To cook, put your pan over a medium heat. When your pan is hot, add in some oil. And when the oil is hot, put in your shrimps. Fry the shrimps till they are pink on both sides. Remove and set them aside. We are removing the shrimps now because we don't want to overcook them. In the same pan, add a little more oil. Then put in the aromatics. That's the ginger, garlic, and the white parts of the spring onions. Fry all this till they are fragrant. It will take about 30 seconds. Next, add in the carrots and broccoli. Give all this a brief toss. Then, add in the sauce. Let the sauce come to a boil, and when the sauce is boiling, cover. Let the steam develop in the pot to tenderize the vegetables. This should take about 1 to 2 minutes. Broccoli is rich in vitamin C, but boiling it for too long can destroy those nutrients. A quick steam keeps them crunchy and full of goodness. After 1 to 2 minutes, put in the shrimps. And the chili oil if you are using it. Thicken the sauce with your cornstarch slurry. But remember to give the cornstarch slurry a good mix, as the corn flour would have settled to the bottom of the bowl by now. Add in only about half the cornstarch slurry. Bring the sauce to a boil, and the sauce would have thickened by now. If it's not thick enough, add in more cornstarch slurry. Next, drain the noodles. Then, add them into the pot. Toss to coat the noodles with the sauce. Fry the noodles for another 1 to 2 minutes till they are softened. Turn off the heat. Taste and adjust for seasoning. When it is the way you like it to be, sprinkle the chopped green parts of the spring onions onto the noodles. Give this a final toss. And just like that, you've got this restaurant quality shrimp and veggie stir fry with noodles, made in less time than it takes to argue over what to order on your delivery app. No more soggy noodles, no sad shrimp, just pure deliciousness. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to hit that like button. It will really help out this channel. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe for more quick and delicious recipes just like this one. In the meantime, check out this next video right here for another easy and tasty meal. And I'll see you in my next video.